Hello. Welcome to Kerjanya channel. In this video we will follow how the Chrome OS installation. The process is easy. We will do step by step starting from the installation of Chrome's OS. Then extract and make it bootable. And for this Chrome OS installation we need a Linux operating system as a tool, where we will run the Linux operating system via USB. Then after entering the Linux operating system, we will use the Linux terminal to install Chrome OS. The Linux used for this is Linux Mint, but other Linux distributions can also be used. If Chrome OS already installed on the laptop, more or less it looks like this. In Chrome OS there are already several built-in applications such as Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Drive. For other applications can be added via Play Store as needed. We can also connect smartphones into this Chrome OS, so that notifications from mobile phones can appear here. Okay. Now let's move on to what is Chrome OS. Is the operating system used by Chromebook products that are popular a few years ago. Chrome OS has three taglines, that are simplicity, security, and speed. Google promises Chrome OS is very simple, very secure, and very fast when installed on our PC or laptop. Installation preparation. The Chrome OS installation process requires some tools, so that the installation can run smoothly. 1. WinRAR, or 7-zip, or other file extractor to open archive files. 2. Linux Mint ISO installer. 3. Brunch. 4. Install Chrome.txt. 5. Rufus, used for the Linux Mint bootable USB that we use. 6. Chrome OS installer and its update. Okay. For the first requirement, called WinRAR, we can download it on the following webpage. Then for the second requirement, Linux Mint ISO installer, we go to the website. There we choose, for example, the Cinnamon version. Choose a mirror server according to our location. Once downloaded, save it in a folder, and name the folder with Chrome OS. The next step is to download the third requirement, called Brunch. For example, let's take the Brunch version 2.91. Downloads, collect in the same folder as before, the Chrome OS folder. The next step, we will take the installation command on the link provided in the video description. Copy and save it as a file install_chrome.txt. Next, we download an application to create a USB bootable named Rufus via the following website. Again, save it in the same folder that is the Chrome OS folder. The final preparation of requirement is, of course, downloading the Chrome OS installation that we want on the following website page. We can choose the version of Ramos version 9.1. Again, save it in the same folder that is the Chrome OS folder. Once all the requirements are met, you will see the Chrome OS folder will contain several files like in the video. OK. The next step after fulfilling the installation requirements. We go to the first step of the installation process. First, install the WinRAR and Rufus applications. We don't need to discuss the installation process here because surely you all can do it yourself. Right. The second step, extract the files that we get in the Chrome OS folder. Specifically Brunch, and the Chrome OS installer. The third step. We adjust the name of the bin file from the extracted installation and update Chrome OS to be exactly the same as the name on the last line of the install_Chrome text installation command file. Step 4. Format the USB flash drive with the 128 kilobits exFAT file system. Step 5. Using Rufus, we create a bootable USB flash disk with Linux Mint ISO installation. Don't forget to change the partition scheme with GPT, and the cluster size is 32 kilobits. Step 6. After the bootable Linux Mint USB creation process is successful, copy all the contents of the downloaded Chrome OS folder except the Linux Mint ISO into a USB flash drive containing bootable Linux Mint. Step 7. Remove the USB flash and install it on the PC or laptop where Chrome OS will be installed. Let the boot run until Linux Mint OS is ready to use. Step 8. After being in the Linux Mint OS environment, then make sure it is connected to the internet. Then open the File Manager and File System. And look for the Chrome OS folder that we copied earlier. Open file install_chrome.txt and adjust the installation target disk section to the conditions on your PC or laptop. Create a new partition and format it with the NTFS file system. Step 9. Open a terminal window on Linux Mint. And run each command line in the install_chrome.txt file. Specifically for the last command, we must first enter into the Chrome OS folder. Wait until the process is complete. Step 10. Shut down Linux Mint, remove the USB flash drive, and restart the PC or laptop. Chrome OS will appear replacing Linux Mint OS. Make settings as needed, such as language, email account, etc. Next, please enjoy Chrome OS. Adjust any settings according to your needs. You can even use Google Play, which is usually only available on Android OS on your smartphone. Okay, that's all. And good luck.